Hi guys, today I'm in Joe Rilla's fan game of Gorilla Tag. It's called Vacation Monkey. I need to speedrun this because everything takes so long in this game because how big of a map it is. So first, I'm showing you where hidden cosmetic is. Right here, pineapple. Pineapple. Working watch. That. Secret Freddy Fazbear. This game is so big. Cool working camera. Save to headset. It lets you save to headset. And you could bring it around. But I'm not because I'm speedrunning. Why do I have so low hertz? Is it because I'm on? No. There's the fish. Floor is lava doesn't work, but it's just parkour now. Secret mushroom cosmetic. Right here. I've done so many videos of trying to make a full court shot. I've done it before, okay? Trust me. And I said, if I do this, you have to subscribe. So you gotta subscribe. If you could complete it normally, but since I'm on a time crunch, sand and top hat. I use this cowboy explorer hat, which I'm not doing all that because, yeah. Jeez, my game is laggy right now. You have to do this annoying parkour, or you could just do back and forth, wall climb up that and get there. And you'll get this explorer hat. Why is it so laggy? Basketball. I've made a full court shot multiple times. I'll do it at the end. Right in here, go in here for Freddy Fazbear. I don't know if I said that. Shop. You could violently burn yourself on fire. PvP. There's a secret if you go to the end of the canister. It has like a secret thing. Right, left, right, left, right, triple right, left, and the right for this watch cosmetic I wear. Go back. Oh no. This is not what's... This is a problem. I am not supposed to be out here. You know what? Joe Rilla's secret place, he only can access. But now with this glitch, you could go anywhere. I don't know how this glitch happened. It just happened. I will go to mod and see what I'm working with when I get it. Oh geez, I messed up. Well, yeah. I could have gone anywhere else. It would have been smarter for somewhere else. Let me go back and do that glitch again. Hopefully, don't fall into the void because then the video would end. Okay, there we go. I need to get farther. No! No! I need to glitch. Wait. Now there. I'll just get mine normally, but still, I want to see what I get. No! Why is it working? Okay, but still, there's a mod. And I'm getting it, probably, hopefully. So yeah, this is the game. Vacation Monkeys, download it. It's on App Lab. It's simple. Just type in Vacation Monkeys. Join their Discord too. It's awesome. And yeah, I go down the slide for the end. I have made it a full court. I go to videos and show you it. Or if you way I went. You want to go over here? See, look, right here. But still, you saw the first shot. Did I make it yet? I'm making nearby this area. If I make it over here, you guys have to subscribe. It was, I'm pretty sure, one of these. If I make it from over here, you guys have to subscribe. I make it soon. That was a full court. That was like right here. I do make it. But still. First, we want... You saw the first shot I did. And I made it. Subscribe. So yeah, I say that's a win. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'll have to do this one instead. There's right here. Welcome back to the video, guys. Now time to check. Hey, this game is small. I might have a. Since this game was small, I have a good chance if I made it. And I did. Look, a full court right there. Let's go! So that is proof I did make it. So yeah, you can't say I'm not telling the truth. Let's go! Wee!